What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check out where we are. Notice anything different? We are officially pirates. Let's get fishing. Alright, we've had a very late start this morning. This is my first time taking out the boat, so there's a lot of things didn't really quite take into consideration. So yeah, left a little bit later than would have liked to. We're just out here for a quick little session, actually going up the coast later this afternoon. So this was just a quick try out the boat for the first time, and yeah, see. Get this one out. All right, and now some pellets. Try to bring the fish to us. All right, well, hopefully that brings in at least some bait fish. Oh, we got something. First fish of the day. What do we got? What is it? Oh, little snapper. Nice. Cute little thing. Oh, it's grunting. It ain't fun. It ain't happy. Check it out. First little one of the day. Definitely not legal, but that's all right. We'll throw him back. Bye-bye. Oh, there he goes. And where there's one, there's probably more. But yeah, super stoked. First one on the deck. First one on the new boat. It's all happening. Oh, it's starting to blow. We might have to change spokes. Alright, we're just gonna pick it up a little bit of scent. I think it's coffee time. Could just open it. Oh, it's perfectly. Oh, all right, that's pretty flat. All right, I think it might be ready. Oh yeah. To a new boat and new adventures. Yeah, that's good coffee. Nice little brim. Nice little brim. Get him back. So yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick little trip, but this is the first trip of many to come. I've already built a casting deck in the boat, rearranged it. It's no longer a center console. Videos coming on that soon. So yeah, if you guys don't want to miss out, make sure to hit that subscribe button because a lot more is coming. Pretty excited. Yeah, until next time guys, take it easy.